In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create QR code attendance using Google Sheets. Start by opening your attendance sheet in Google Sheets. This sheet is where your attendance records will be stored and updated automatically after each submission, so it is important that you use the correct file. Then click Publish again to confirm. Publishing makes the form available for others to open and submit, which is necessary before you turn the form link into a QR code. Once the form is published, click Copy to copy the public link. This is the exact link that people will open when they scan your QR code, so make sure you are copying the published link and not an edit link. Now open your browser and go to the Me QR website. On the page, click About Me QR. This takes you to the QR code generator area you will use to create your attendance QR code. In the generator, click into the highlighted field and paste the Google form link you copied. Then click into the next highlighted field and type in the text shown in your guide. This text is usually used as a label or short description, which can help you recognize the QR code later if you create more than one. After that, click Content Category. This part is optional, but it is helpful for organizing your QR codes. Select the categories shown in the guide, so your attendance QR stays grouped correctly in your account or download history. When your link and details are set, click Customize and Download QR. This opens the download options. Then click Download QR code to save the QR image to your device. For best scan results, keep the default quality high and avoid resizing the QR too small. Finally, return to your Google Sheets attendance file. Click the cell area where you want the QR code to appear. Then go to Insert. In the Insert options, select the image option indicated in your guide and choose the downloaded QR code file. Continue through the prompts until the QR code is placed onto the sheet. If needed, adjust the image position so it sits neatly in the intended area without covering important cells. That covers everything you need to know.